Hello there, how you doing? So today we're going to make this potato curry. It's a dry fried potato aloo. It's quite spicy, it's delicious, it's vegan and it's vegetarian. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got here about 3 cups of potatoes. I peeled them, cut them into kind of smallish kind of parts, as you can see. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of tomato, 1 tablespoon of fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're fabulous. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, fresh chili to taste. It's up to you what you want to put in, and I'm putting mine in whole like that. I think I've got 6 or 7 there, and then a teaspoon each of what I always call the big 4. So we've got 1 teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin. Let's get moving. So you're going to be needing a wok or a large skillet or something like that, a pan. In there I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I'm using sunflower oil. You can change the oil that you use, it's up to you. The heat's on, I've just put that on, it's on fairly high. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds. I'm also now, before I forget, going to add some salt. And then we're going to go in with our potatoes. And we're going to fry these around on a fairly high heat for about 4 minutes or so. Just about 4 minutes, just giving them a nice head start. Now I've cut them this size. If you cut them much bigger than this, it's going to take ages to cook them unless you kind of parboil them. But yeah, this size is good for me. We're going to go in with those fresh curry leaves now. Now if you can get fresh curry leaves, they are really fabulous. If you cannot, try and get dried. But yeah, you often send me messages asking me, is there anything else that can replace it? The answer is actually just no. Very distinctive they are. Okay, we're going to add in the fresh chili. Now, I'll put mine in whole. I mean, like I said, I've just cut the nib off the top, but chop it if you want, and the amount's entirely up to you. And now we're going to add 1 cup of onion. And again, we're going to stay on this fairly lively heat. And I'm going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. We're going to be stirring it fairly often during that time. Coming together really nicely, this is. Next up, the tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in jars from many Asian stores, or you can make it yourself. And if you don't have it or can't buy it, then you can simply just chop some ginger and garlic and get it as small as you can. Okay, next up we're going to add that 1 cup now of tomato. And to that we're going to add our spices. We'll take another look. We've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. In that goes. And if you don't have that, you could just use some curry powder now. 4 teaspoons of curry powder. Now the tomatoes are going to give us a little bit of moisture. Now keep it moving all the time now, because if you burn the spices, they will taste really bitter. So keep it moving away. We might get a bit of moisture from these tomatoes. Again, I'm going to be back in about 4 minutes, but this time stirring all the time. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Really fabulous. The tomatoes are cooking down there. Off goes the heat, check it for salt. I'm now going to add a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you guys call that. We're going to give it a mix. You've got yourself a really beautiful dry fry curried potato. Delicious. Okay, that is steaming hot. That is absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.